Most people believe that big business only happens in a pulsating metropolis. But for a long time, our clocks have begun to tick differently. It explains why in the heart of Europe, where Germany, France and Switzerland meet, there are 3 large international airports and one of the world's busiest waterways. A company at our business park enjoys all these advantages. It's the ideal location for service providers, production and assembly companies. Flexible space allocation concepts for 33,000 square meters and additional 30,000 square meters space available for expansion provide the foundation for solid growth. The modern administration buildings with offices, presentation and exhibition rooms are a perfect outlet for several smaller businesses or a large company's representative headquarters. The production halls, with their approximately 9,600 square meters of space, are all equipped with up-to-date technology and suitable for diverse production lines, assemblies and storage. Elsewhere, one would call it networking. We simply regard it as a natural willingness to help. Once you decide to join the business park, you'll profit from our great variety of business contacts and collateral agreements to companies in other economic regions in Germany and Europe. Truly a magnificent business network, and your key to the European market.